Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a functional plan with me in my Classic Happy hourly planner. Really quick, I'm going to show you the stickers that I'm using. They are all from my shop and they are all functional stickers. If you didn't see the video that I posted before this one, it was basically changing my setup a little bit. I did add in half sheets back into my planning system. If you want to see that video, I will link it above. But right now I'm just checking the weather to see what it's going to look like next week, and I think the only day it's raining is going to be on Saturday, and all of the other days are pretty sunny. So I'm just marking that down right now with my functional weather stickers. So the next thing that I want to plan out is my videos for this upcoming week, and I am going to post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. This video, you should see it on Tuesday. It's my plan with me, and then on Thursday will be budgeting, and then Sunday will be another wild card, probably a reading type video. I like to put my analytics on the side, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to put in the beginning and the ending numbers for the week for YouTube and Instagram, and below it I'm just going to put the books that I am currently reading. So this week I pre-planned in my bullet journal, and so I'm just going to pull that out so I can see what's coming up, what appointments I have this week, and then I'm going to use my colorful boxes from my shop in order to put down all the different places where I have an appointment or some type of meeting. This week is going to be pretty busy. As you can see, I am putting down quite a number of colorful boxes in order to stay on top of things. So this is why I absolutely love functional planning. As much as I love to put down a whole bunch of stickers and make it all decorative, it doesn't usually work out for me. So most of the time I only use stickers that I can either write next to or write on top of. I decided to use my church icons to mark off when church is going to be on Sunday, and my little suitcase icon to mark off when I need to pack on Saturday. We will be out of town the week of Thanksgiving, visiting my husband's family, so I just wanted to mark that off also. This is pretty much all of the stickers for the week. I am moving on to my half sheet, and I have decided to start using a half sheet to mark off all of the different things that I have to do, because I realized I just don't have enough space in my planner. So now I'm going to start writing everything in. I am using the Papermate Inkjoy 0.7 pen in order to do this. I love using the sidebar in order to stay on top of my analytics and my reading. So right now I'm just writing in the beginning numbers and also what I am reading this week, which is the 5 lessons a millionaire taught me. I have a lot of different things that are going on this week. I do have a lot of filming to do since I'm going to be out of town next week for the week of Thanksgiving. I also have to pack, and I have a bunch of different meetings going on, so it's going to be a very crazy busy week for me, and I'm hoping that my planner will just help me stay on track. And last week I actually did record a day in the life of my planner, where I kind of showed y'all how I use my planner throughout the course of the day to stay productive. So if y'all want another one of those, let me know in the comments below, because I really did enjoy doing it. I just wanted some feedback to see if it's something that I should put into rotation and do on a consistent basis. So on Thursday, we will have another Budget With Me weekly video. This is where I show you my paycheck to paycheck budget and how we are setting up for this week. I am also going to do a holiday budgeting video because I am traveling next week. And so I want to show you how we are going to control our spending while we are out of town the entire next week, and how I set up my budget when we travel. And the other thing is our monthly kits are going to go out this week also. So if you are a part of the Tom Squad, then shout out to you. Those Patreon packets will be going out this week, and you should have some new stickers from me in the mail by next week. So after I finish writing everything in, these are my plans for the week. I'm going to move over to my to-do list. This is going to be on my half sheet, and this is where I'm going to write down all of the things that I have to do, but I'm going to add a little bit more detail. Like, as you can see, I've added my weekly plan with me video that I am currently filming right now, but I'm going to put film, edit, and upload so I can kind of mark down my progress as it happens throughout the course of the week. So I'm going to do this for all of the kind of the to-dos that I have. If I need a little bit more detail, I'm going to keep them all on this half sheet. I'm hoping that this helps me get a little bit more done and to kind of mark down my progress as it goes on throughout the course of the week. The other thing that I'm keeping track of is my expenses. I do have my entire Budget With Me video that will be done in my actual budget planner that I created. It's in my shop, but this is where I'm going to keep track of the bills in my to-go planner. Like, I keep this planner on me at all times, so I wanted a place where I can keep track of all of my bills and all of my expenses for that particular week, and then I can transfer what I put on this half sheet into my budget planner at the end of the week. Okay guys, that's it for this functional plan with me. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and if you want to see more pictures of how this turns out by the end of the week, then you can follow me over on Instagram at The Organized Money, and I should post some more pictures by the end of the week. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.